Hi there, this is Jamie Walker with Reason Funding and DigiPro. In today's video tutorial, I am going to show you where to go if you would like to edit a post or create a new blog post within our system. So I'm logged in on the admin dashboard and I'm at the welcome home screen. And to get to the blog and post list, I'm going to look for content. I'm going to click on it, and then it's the fourth menu item down. You'll see blog, event, and promo. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to open up my blog list here. And it's always going to load with I guess the oldest post first. So this is one that's dating all the way back to 2018, and you have the ability to sort these posts. So if you click on the ID, you can sort that. You can sort by date, title, author, short code, and category. Speaking of category, you can also filter these by turning off blog, and it'll hide all the blog posts. I don't have any events or promos set up in this org, so that's why it's not displaying there. So I'm going to turn blogs back on, and it's going to enable it. And then you also have the ability to search. So if you're looking for one in particular, you can type in there on the search function, and it will pull up the keywords. Any blog post that's got that keyword will be listed here. So I typed in online, and I have a blog post that is very specific to online giving donations. And so that's the reason why I pulled that post up. So I'm going to exit out of that. If you need to create a blog post from scratch, you can click this Add New here, and it will open up a Create New Post. And we'll go through this here in just a little bit on a different video tutorial on how to create a new blog post or edit an existing blog post. So I'm going to click this button, Back to Post here. Under options right here, so if you're looking to edit an existing blog post, you would find the blog post that you want to edit, click on options, and then the very first item listed is edit. And if you click on that, it'll open up and allow you to edit an existing blog post. So if you need to make a change to the title, the author, or any of the associated content. So for this one, like say, I want to change this color to a color that is better suited for this org. So I'm going to go in, change these. Okay, so once you're done with all your edits, you can then hit submit, and that will save and publish those edits. And there's also a preview button here, so you can preview those edits. Back over to the blog post list here, just a couple more things. So this is a good post that I really like the formatting on. So instead of, if you want to save time, instead of like hitting this add new and creating a post from scratch, you can also click clone, and it will give you the ability to clone that post, and you at this point you'll get a little pop-up that will allow you to change the title or the name of the post, and then also the post slug, which would be the very end of the URL, which is why you see kind of all of the hyphens in there instead of spaces. Next, one question that we also get asked quite often is about sharing content to your Facebook page. And so there is a Facebook quick share button here. So if you click on that, it's going to ask me to log in. So let me pause. So when you hit that quick share, you're going to get a pop-up here that's going to say share on Facebook. And so you have the ability to choose where you want that story to be shared. So you can click on, typically I click on page that you manage. So you click on that, and then you can choose the various pages that you're an admin on to share that page. So if I share it out to DigiProPay, it says posting as DigiProPay, and it will share that post out to that social media page. So I'm just going to leave. And then there's also the ability here to do a post, but you're going to have to do a little bit of editing because it does grab the entire post content. That's the reason I prefer the actual using the quick share. So this is Jamie with Reason Funding and DigiPro, and we just went through a tutorial on how to create a new blog post and edit an existing blog post. The next video we'll go through on actually making those edits on the blog post and creating a new blog post. So thank you very much. Take care.